Okay, so now in this video I'm going to show how you can use a YouTube video to create a fully automated system wherein that video will work as a certificating tool. So you go to your course, okay, and then you take H5P interactive content, you click here. Of course you have to describe it, and once you are done with selecting here, so what we need is interactive video. Now the moment you take interactive video, okay, so you use it, okay, it will get installed. जैसे ही आप क्लिक करते हो it gets installed. अब यहाँ पे आपको एक वीडियो चाहिए, simply go to a YouTube video. This video I'm going to share with you guys. Same example I'm going to take. I'll put the URL here, okay, and I'll insert it. Video is here. Now add interactions. So now this video is live, okay. Now say for example, once this video has covered 2 minutes, I would love to ask a question. So now you can see I can ask a single choice, multiple choice, true and false, fill in the blanks, drag and drop, okay, and mark the words, and then another drag the words, okay. Crosswords is also one, and then navigate hotspots. These are the questions that you can create inside your video only. So let me quickly do one multiple choice. I will put it as a poster. Button is not a good choice to do. So say for example I'm asking can you use H5P as a certificating module, okay, and then I see no, then I say yes, and I say I do not know, okay. Correct answer is yes, and then you simply come, and add option is done. Let me see, everything is done. At this point this comes, we are done. Add options is done. Add range, we are not supposed to, okay, so we click on done. Now you see this one question I have added that will pop up at this particular time. Now you see this here, all whatever questions you will add, all questions will reflect like this. So let me quickly again add a pause it, and let me again add a multiple choice. This time I'm not going to, so I'll just do this, and I'll just do this, make it correct, and I'll do done. And yeah, so this I didn't select a poster, okay, so now it looks like a poster. Here you see there are these marks. Now these 2 marks indicate that you have a question here. Now if you go at the end, okay, here is the submit screen. Now the submit screen will talk about your, whatever answers they have submitted, it can be shown here, and then you can issue a certificate once this video has been watched. This is a unique feature, and this is completely trackable. You can have you can create interactive video sessions, a lot of it, and everything will reflect on your gradebook, and you can also issue certificates and everything. It can be used automatically, and the only thing that you need to do is, if you're not using your own video or common creative rights video, then do not forget to give credit, or create a format wherein you are mentioning the name of the channel, the URL of the channel, and the owner of the channel, and mentioning it inside your course. Because as a course creator, as a teacher, as a trainer, you are not a content creator, you are just a facilitator. So you can use a course after giving a complete credit. I hope this video helps you, in solving lots of issues in terms of training. Thank you for watching.